Welcome back to the channel. Remember all those sci-fi movies where AI ran the world? Well, it's 2026, and while we're not quite living in a Hollywood blockbuster, the reality of artificial intelligence is just as mind-blowing. What was once just theory, discussed in labs and academic papers, is now a powerful force reshaping our daily lives and entire industries. Today, diving deep into the most significant AI breakthroughs of 2026 and exploring how they retransitioning from code on a screen to tangible, world-changing applications. So, buckle up as we journey from theory to reality. First, let's talk about healthcare. For years, the promise of AI-driven diagnostics was on the horizon. Now, in 2026, it's standard practice. Imagine walking into a clinic and instead of just a doctor's trained eye, you have an AI model that has analyzed millions of medical scans, identifying anomalies with a precision that surpasses human capability. These aren't just pilot programs anymore. Hospitals worldwide are using AI to predict disease outbreaks based on population data, allowing public health officials to act proactively, not react. And it gets even more personal. AI algorithms are now crafting bespoke treatment plans, analyzing a patient's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history to prescribe therapies with the highest chance of success. This isn't about replacing doctors. It's about empowering them with a superintelligent assistant, leading to earlier diagnoses and more effective treatments for everyone. Now, let's shift gears to the creative industries. There was a lot of fear that AI would make artists, writers, and musicians obsolete. But 2026 tells a different story. Instead of replacement, we're seeing an unprecedented era of human-AI collaboration. Musicians are using AI to generate novel chord progressions and melodies, using them as a starting point to spark their own creativity. Filmmakers are using generative AI to create breathtaking visual effects and even entire digital backdrops in a fraction of the time and cost it used to take. Think of an independent creator being able to produce a film with the visual quality of a major studio blockbuster, all from their laptop. Even novelists are using AI as a sophisticated brainstorming partner, helping them overcome writer's block by suggesting plot twists or character developments. The AI doesn't write the story, but it helps the human author tell it better. It's a new renaissance where technology amplifies human imagination. Next up, agriculture. This might not be the first industry you think of when you hear AI, but the impact here is revolutionary. Feeding a growing global population is one of humanity's greatest challenges. In 2026, AI is our most powerful tool in the fight for food security. We're seeing smart farms where everything is optimized by algorithms. Drones, equipped with advanced imaging sensors, fly over fields, using AI to analyze crop health on a plant-by-plant basis. They can detect nutrient deficiencies or early signs of disease long before a human eye could bit. This allows for precision agriculture, where water, fertilizers, and pesticides are applied only where they're needed. dramatically reducing waste and environmental impact. Autonomous tractors, guided by AI, can plant seeds and harvest crops 24/7, optimizing for weather patterns and soil conditions. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about sustainability and resilience, ensuring we can grow more food with fewer resources. Of course, we can't talk about 2026 without mentioning the transformation in transportation and logistics. Self-driving technology has moved beyond the endless testing phase and is now a common sight in many cities. We're not just talking about personal cars. AI-powered logistics networks are the lifeblood of modern commerce. Imagine a global supply chain that is almost entirely automated. An AI system predicts consumer demand, automatically places orders with manufacturers, and then orchestrates a fleet of autonomous trucks, ships, and delivery drones to move goods from the factory to your doorstep. This has resulted in faster delivery times, fewer traffic jams, and a massive reduction in fuel consumption. It's an intricate dance of data and robotics, a system that self-corrects and optimizes in real time to handle disruptions, ensuring that the products we need are always where they need to be when we need them. Let's also look at education. The one-size-fits-all classroom model is quickly becoming a thing of the past. In 2026, AI-driven personalized learning platforms are changing how students of all ages acquire knowledge. These systems adapt to each student's individual learning pace and style. If a student is struggling with a math concept, the AI can provide extra exercises, alternative explanations, and interactive tutorials tailored specifically to their needs. If another student is excelling, the AI can introduce more advanced topics to keep them challenged and engaged. This creates a learning journey that is unique to every single person. Teachers are no longer just lecturers, they're mentors, using AI-generated insights to understand which students need more support and where to focus their attention. It's about fostering a genuine love for learning by making education more relevant, engaging, and effective for everyone. The world of finance has also been completely reshaped. AI algorithms are now at the core of our financial systems, managing everything from fraud detection to investment strategies. These systems can analyze trillions of data points in a millisecond, identifying fraudulent transactions with incredible accuracy and stopping financial crime before it happens. For the average person, this means safer banking and online shopping. On the investment side, AI-powered robo-advisors are making wealth management accessible to everyone, not just the ultra-rich, by analyzing your financial goals and risk tolerance. These platforms can build and manage a diversified investment portfolio for you, making smart, data-driven decisions that were once the exclusive domain of Wall Street experts. This democratization of finance is empowering more people to build a secure financial future. So, as we look around in 2026, it's clear that AI is no longer a distant, abstract concept. It's a tangible, powerful force woven into the very fabric of our society, from healing the sick and feeding the world to unleashing our creativity and educating the next generation. AI has moved from theory into our everyday reality. Of course, this rapid transformation brings new challenges and ethical questions that we must navigate carefully. Discussions around data privacy, job displacement, and algorithmic bias are more important than ever. The key is to ensure that, as we build this AI-powered future, we do so responsibly, putting human well-being and progress at the center of it all. The journey is far from over, but one thing is certain: the world of 2026 is smarter, more efficient, and more connected thanks to the incredible innovations in artificial intelligence. What are your thoughts on how AI is changing the world? Are you excited, concerned, or a bit of both? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.